Hello and welcome. Today we will be playing La Bamba. We need 3 chords for this: C, F, and G7. If you want to replace the G7 with a G, that works as well. It's just easier to go to the G7 because F and G7 have the index finger in common, so you can pivot on that finger. For the strumming pattern, it sounds a little bit like this. Let me play it for you first and then we'll break it down together. We spend a little more time on the G chord. So let's break down the strumming pattern. On C chord we will do down, down, up, down, down, up. On F chord we will do down, up, down, down, up, down. So let's do those two. Down, down, up, down, up, down. It's really fast, right? Down, down, up, down, up, down. Again, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down. 1, 2, again, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down. One last time, go. Okay, nice. And now for the G7, we're gonna do up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Get in the rhythm of it. Ready, and up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So together, let's do it slowly. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more time. Okay, relax the hand real quick and take a little break. We're gonna try it again. And use this opportunity to hit the like button and the subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I'd love to have you join our community. Okay, again. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice. 2 more times. Last time. For those of you who like to chuck, it sounds like this. If you don't know how to chuck, that's okay. I have a video dedicated just to chucking. It's going to be here on the card and down below. But basically a chuck is a rotation of the hand to stop the strings. And you're basically just slamming the palm of your thumb, right under your thumb, on the strings. So instead of doing a down strum, you're really just like a strum and a mute. That's a chuck. So now let's add some words. You can say ba la la la, and right on Bamba is when you start. Ba la 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 la. And that's the chord progression for the whole song. Okay, so we're going to play through it a little bit faster, but first I'd like to invite you to join my Patreon community. On Patreon, I do weekly lessons via Zoom. We all turn on our cameras and we focus on the song. And sometimes we do like an open mic as well. So if you'd like to join our Patreon community, I have the link on the screen and down in the description box below. Also, I make a lot of printables for my Patreon members. So if you like printable resources and PDFs, they're all over there. All right. Let's speed it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah. And playing the all solid mahogany ukulele from Enya. This is in the tenor size. When you buy this ukulele, it comes with a gig bag, strings, shaker, and a few other accessories. This also has pre-installed strap buttons, and it's a mahogany ukulele that's all solid. That is really popular right now, especially because of the price that this ukulele is for being a solid instrument. On the headstock, you also have a really nice cherry blossom design. And if you want more info on this ukulele, or if you're interested in buying it, I will have the link down below. Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. It was really fun to play along with you, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Sayonara!